In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly remove threads from your Instagram post. So these are the ones that you repost, and I'm going to show you how to remove them. So you need to go to your profile and identify the post that you've reposted. Now here's the one that says you reposted. And what you need to do is to select the three dots in the upper right corner and select remove. Now, once you've selected remove, as you can see here, content not available, that means that the repost has now been removed and it is now not on your timeline. You could simply refresh and it is gone. So that is basically how you go ahead and remove repost from your threads profile. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and always remember to subscribe because I'll keep you up to date with the latest that is happening on social media. And with all these new apps coming about, you definitely need tutorials as to how to navigate and get things done. So thank you for watching. Harker 7.